Hi there, crafters. This is Pam, Pam's Paper Place. Today I'm going to show you the next project that I have. It will be a design team project for Studio 28E. Sherry Smears, and it's a Boho kit number 2, and I do have a few things from Boho kit number 1. I have coffee dyed the papers so far and cut them out. I thought I'd share them with you. And this is cool that you could use for a cover. Whoops. Haven't picked out my cover yet, but that's awesome. So here's some of the papers. Really fun. I haven't made a boho journal in a while, so I thought I'd use them, and some of Sheila Gingrich's boho trims and sari bits that I bought quite a while ago, because I haven't made a boho journal in a while. I thought it would be fun, so this will be my design project for this month. Cute. And I think Sherry used some of her trims that she scanned, and they turned out really pretty. Pretty colors. That's probably one. So looking forward to making this. Whoops. So that's my next project, and then there's ephemera and things here too. Some that I downsized the pages to make into little tags and booklets and things. So that's going to be my next project with Studio 28E. And then I also thought that I would share a package that I bought. I know I said I wasn't going to buy too much anymore, but every now and then, especially if you want to help somebody out. And this I bought for $25. It's totally stuffed to the brim. A destash from Art Therapy with Mama Megs, and I will put the link to her YouTube channel and what she's selling. And she sent me this beautiful, look how pretty this thank you card is. I hope you love it. And it's Art Therapy with Mama Megs. It's her YouTube channel. Pam, thank you so much for your order. It was a pleasure. You're so kind and always very encouraging. It means the world to me. Megs. She's a very sweet lady, and she's redoing her craft room and doing some destashes. So for $25, including shipping, you won't believe all that she managed to put in here. I think I'll make a little more room here too. This. So check it out. She still has some. And I know she has fabrics too, but I have a lot of fabrics from my quilt making days. Look at this. It is a huge, huge pile, but I just think it's so fun to get little bits and pieces of things. Big pieces. Look at that. Huge piece. And some of these things I can put in my boho journal. Look at all this fantastic trims. So I asked for the trims and lace package, but you could also, she has some awesome fabrics too. Look at it all. I know everything would be different, but I mean, some is vintage, like this is vintage right here. She really, I don't know how she got all this in here. That'd be great for a farmhouse type journal. This would be great for a boho, so I'll keep that out for my boho. This would also be pretty in a boho journal. Pink with the gold. We'll keep that. This one would be great for it too. Look at how pretty and colorful that is. for my boho. Let's keep that out. This would too. That would be perfect. Look at all this. Can you believe it? Look how pretty that is. I might use that one too for my next project. And then she also has some of this, which I love, these shabby flowers. And then bigger pieces of lace. That'd be pretty in a boho too. Just unbelievable amount. Thank you so much, Megs. I love this. I have some of this, but I love these little rosettes. But I thank you so much. And please check out her channel. She's a smaller channel, I think under 300. This looks vintage. And she's just very, very sweet. And she's just trying to get money to reorganize her craft room. And, you know, just to help her out. And look at this. So I will put the link to her channel and to Studio 2080's channel. And if you could support their channel, I'm sure they would love that. And I just thank you for watching. You have an awesome day. Bye-bye.